My name's Julie Paisley. I'm the owner of Paisley Marketing Group, and this is Marketing 101. So, this course is going to be filled with tips, tricks, printable and downloadable resources, and everything that you need to DIY the marketing for your small business. There will be following courses coming with even more detail. So, stay tuned. I want to give you a little background of what's going to happen and kind of some things about marketing. So, our goal throughout this entire process and this entire self-guided course is to increase the profits of your business. Every marketing campaign, every marketing strategy, every marketing plan should have one goal, and that is to increase the profits of your business through increasing traffic by smart marketing. And my goal for you is to not increase your stress level in that process. So, who am I other than the owner of Paisley Marketing Group? I am a mom. I have 3 kids. I have 2 teenage girls and a younger daughter. I have a chocolate lab, so I'm a dog mom. You will find me most mornings running in my neighborhood, often with my running buddy Hazel, the chocolate lab. I run marathons. I am a baking enthusiast, lover of dance parties. I went to the University of Cincinnati and I graduated with a degree in organizational communication. And I absolutely love storytelling. It is my favorite thing to do. And it's really what marketing is. I have worked for small businesses, in small businesses, and as a coach for marketing for small businesses for many years. I have done high-end corporate sales. And so I really have that balance of sales and marketing expertise with a nerdy side in the data analytics. So my marketing philosophy came from Steve Jobs, and it's on a quote here in my office in Columbus, Ohio, where I'm based. And it says, the most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. If you can tell a compelling story about your brand, about your business, you will connect with audiences and they will say yes every time. What is marketing anyway? And I think this is, even when I started my firm, even my own mom, who I adore and who's been with me along my career as my biggest cheerleader all these years, she was like, "Oh, you're starting an advertising company. That's great." And it really isn't. It's so much more than that. In its core, marketing is a great message communicated through a megaphone that is going to amplify that message and make it bigger, and it's pointed at your perfect customer. One of our courses along the way is figuring out who in the heck you want to talk to. I call it your perfect client or your perfect customer or your PC, and that's going to be an entire course. Your marketing is not sales. It's often bundled with sales in most small businesses, but it is not sales. Marketing is farming. It's a marathon. It's going to produce results for the long term over time. So sales is hunting. You're going to eat for a day, but you got to go do it tomorrow. And marketing is going to produce those results over time for the long haul and feed you for your life. Marketing should have one goal, and that's increase the profits for the business, period. Something we do when we work with clients individually, one-on-one, is that we have that laser focus in mind on profitability, not on ad spend, not on making the marketing company rich, but making the business owner rich through smart marketing. Some parts of marketing, and this is not everything, in larger corporations, there's 1, 2, maybe even 10 people who handle each one of these. In a small business, it's the business owner who's the HR department, the operations department, the sales department, sometimes even doing the work themselves, and the marketing department handling all of these things. What I like to do when I teach and when I coach and when I am the consultant is focus on just the things that are going to produce results, not all of this, because it's exhausting. And I want it to not be exhausting for you. So we're talking branding, logos, storytelling, writing, web design, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, advertising, social media, content marketing, event execution, print advertising, affiliate marketing, dealing with influencers or people who are going to refer you business. Referral programs is affiliate marketing, TV and radio, direct mail, signage, exterior, interior signage, data analytics, public relations, recruiting, job postings. This is one that a lot of businesses don't think about. Recruiting and hiring is marketing. You have to have the right team members coming to you and wanting to work there and apply for your jobs. Internal communication, making sure that your team is happy and that they have buy-in on what you're doing in new initiatives. Customer reviews, managing those Google reviews, Yelp reviews, Facebook reviews. Customer communication, getting the word out to your customers about what they need to do next and buying again, and so much more. So this is a huge list of things that all fall under marketing. And the reality is in a lot of small businesses, the marketing person is handling other things too. So if you have a marketing person in your organization, this is a great course for them. Or if you are just the small business owner executing all of this all by yourself, this is a great course for you. Let's get started. We have a lot to cover in these 12 lessons. They're self-paced, and what my recommendation is to watch one of the videos, take some actions, make some plans, and then give it a week or two and then go on to the next video. Because if you just sit and watch all 12 videos back to back, you might not get the results that you're looking for because you need to understand some other things in order to make that happen. So I look forward to teaching you and you increasing your profitability. I want to hear all of your stories about how this has worked. And I think it's important that one of your first steps along this marketing journey is to take note of where you are revenue-wise, how many leads you have coming in the door, and what their average dollar transaction is. And I want to make sure that you know that you're increasing your revenue. And let's tell those stories together.